Hello everyone, welcome to Nature at Doorstep. In today's video, we are going to see how to grow and harvest bottle gourd, that is Lauki, from seeds. Bottle gourd is called the powerhouse of nutrient and it has got immense health benefits like lowering blood pressure, controlling diabetes, it helps to treat urinary infection, it aids in weight loss, it helps to keep our skin young, fresh by avoiding premature aging, a lot and lot of benefits. And all this is because this healthy vegetable has got 90% of water in it. But unfortunately, kids and few youngsters also doesn't like this vegetable. But don't worry, towards the end of this video, I've attached few yummy delicious recipes to try out using this healthy vegetable. I'm sure after knowing the health benefits and seeing the yummy recipes, everyone will be looking forward to grow your own bottle gourd plant. Come, let me tell you how to grow this plant on your own. These are bottle gourd seeds. For sowing the seeds, dig the ground and sow the seeds at half-inch deep. On the second week, see how the plant has grown. And these are climbers, so you need to give a proper support for them to grow. These are fast growing plants. So, in 1 month's time, that is from the day of sowing to approximately 25 to 30 days, you can see the flowers and the buds coming. This is how the bud looks. They produce white color flowers and mostly the flowers bloom at night and droop off after pollination. This is how the flower looks. I'll show you a close-up look also. See how beautiful it is. These are again unisex, that is, they produce both the male and the female flower in a single plant. To know the difference between how to find out which is a male flower and which is a female flower, I've already explained about it in my previous video on how to grow and harvest your watermelon. If you have not checked that video, I have provided the link below, you can check on that. Coming back, this is the male flower. Just concentrate on the portion where I'm pointing, that is called the pedicel. And I'll show you the female flower also. This is the female flower. Here you can notice on that pedicel is the one that is bearing a baby bottle gourd. So you can see a small baby bottle gourd is there. Only the female flowers bear fruit or vegetable and the male flowers are mostly involved only in pollination. Check this one. This is again a baby bottle gourd. Look at its shape. Any vegetable, if you see this kind of small hair surrounding the vegetable and the plant, it means intake of that vegetable helps you control hair fall. I hope you might be knowing this if you have watched my previous video about watermelon. These are again baby bottle gourds. The female flower will drop off after the vegetable matures. This is the next stage of bottle gourd. The harvesting time is between 2 months to 2.5 months from the day of sowing. Since these are climbers, they make use of these tendrils for taking support. I'll show you a mature bottle gourd now. Yeah, this is matured. The best way to find out whether a bottle gourd is matured or not is by look and feel. The immature bottle gourds will be slightly on the darker shade of green, whereas the mature, which are ready to harvest bottle gourds, would be of light, mild shade of green. See, this bottle gourd is again ready for harvest. See how this bottle gourd is resting on the support. And one more point to figure out whether the bottle gourd is matured or not is you can see the tendrils that are supporting the bottle gourd and the vine which is surrounding the mature bottle gourd would have turned brown. As in this case you can clearly see. Let's check on this now. This is so huge, long. This is again matured. You can see the tendrils dried up, brown in color. I'm going to pluck few of the bottle gourds and take it to my kitchen. See, I've plucked this one now. I'm going to take this to my kitchen. I've washed this now. I'll cut and show you. See the water oozing out. So fresh, soft, tender. Let me show you how to make South Indian style bottle gourd gravy. For that you need chopped onion, jeera, chana dal, urud dal, one dried red chilli, few garlic and curry leaves. Let's see how to make this vegetable. For that, take a kadai, heat it up, add some oil, and once the oil is hot, you can add some chana dal, urad dal, and some jeera. And once all splutters, now you can add a red chilli and few curry leaves. Now you can add onion and chopped garlic and saute everything well till the onion turns golden brown. Now you can add the chopped bottle gourd to it. You can add some turmeric powder, salt, and give it a stir. Stir nicely so that the turmeric mixes with the bottle gourd well. As the vegetable starts cooking, it will start releasing water, and if you feel, you can just sprinkle little water if you want. Add some chili powder, again give it a nice stir, and now you can close it with a lid. Every now and then just keep removing the lid to check whether it is cooked or not. See how well it has released the water. Just see whether it's cooked or not. If it is not cooked, give it a stir and again you can close it with the lid. And let it cook for some more time. The consistency of the water that is released has to reduce. Now it is almost reduced and the vegetable is also cooked now. This is coarsely ground Bengal gram powder. This is optional. If you want, you can add it. My kids love it, so I'm adding it. If you're adding, just give it a final stir so that it mixes well with your vegetable that you have cooked. There shouldn't be any raw portion visible. That's all. Now turn it off. South Indian style bottle gourd gravy is all ready to get served from my kitchen now. I hope you like the recipe. There are few more recipes I am sharing with you. You can try any of the recipes to make your loved ones have bottle gourd. All the recipes are very simple and it hardly takes only 10 minutes for you to prepare and serve. When the vegetable is a powerhouse of nutrients, then why not try different recipes? Tell me. So, do try it at your home. And if you have any queries in planting bottle gourd, post your queries in the comment section. Let's get connected through nature. I hope you find the video interesting. If you find the video useful, please do like, subscribe and share it with all your nature loving friends. And don't forget to click the bell icon for getting the notifications on my upcoming videos. Thank you.